Andrew, you are not the father.
If you are interested in the kit, the ancestry only will give you a report as far as like where in your in the country, in the world, where your ancestry. It'll show you an image, and it'll even show you accuracy within a 0.1%. You'll also get a timeline of what years and when. You'll also get a chromosome painting as well. If you opt for the health kit as well, which is also on sale, you'll not only get the ancestry, but you get the wellness, your carrier status, and some traits that are inherited, and also genetic health risks like Alzheimer's. So really cool. I'm really excited about taking this test. So in this video, let's just unbox it, show you what what's all involved, and then also I want to ask my parents, what do they think is going to happen? Maybe we're going to be in for a surprise. All right, 23andMe saliva collection kit. Find out your ancestry. This is only the ancestry one. They do have it where you can do health as well. I was just interested in doing the ancestry, especially since it was on sale. Okay, so it looks like it has a self-sealing envelope here. Before mailing, register your kit following the user instruction, otherwise your sample will not be processed. They make this pretty simple. You get the little kit here. No food or drinks for 30 minutes. Spit to fill line. Close funnel. Detach funnel, screw on top. Seal and bag, mail in the kit. Register this kit, 23andme.com/start, or else your thing will not be started. Don't eat, fill it in the bag, ship it in. Okay, easy enough. All right, what do we have here? Inside here, you have the bag. Then you can put it in after with the bag. Get the tube and the funnel, and then the cap. All right, so easy enough. You gotta spit to the line, put on the cap, put it in the bag, and you have to go online to register. I'm doing that 23andMe, that ancestry DNA test. Have you heard of it?
Yeah, I've seen our commercials.
Oh, you have? I didn't know they had commercials.
Oh yeah, they get tons of commercials.
Before I go and submit the test, I was gonna ask you what you think it's gonna come back as far as your side of the family.
A mongrel.
Mongrel?
It'll be more Italian than anything, or more Scottish, and then second will be Italian, and then there'll be a hodgepodge.
With mom being mostly Italian, though, don't you think my majority will be Italian?
But there's Scottish on both my parents' side. I know. I'm talking to Drew. He's all worried about his genetics.
Well, I'm supposedly 100% Italian, and Dad is a quarter of Italian, so you should have mostly Italian heritage.
He said I'd be more Scottish. He said I'd be more Scottish than Italian.
No, because I'm 100% Italian, and he's like about half of a %, Italian, so it should be more. It should be more, the most, because his dad is not 100% Scottish.
That's what I was thinking. But who knows? Maybe there's like a mailman in the mix, or,
Yeah, it's more Italian than anything else. So I don't know where he's getting Scottish from, but whatever.
Okay. You think you have any Indian or anything?
I don't think I have any Indian. I think there's a possibility that there might be some African American.
Because of Naples?
Yeah.
To register online, just go to the website, go sign up. You just have to create an account very easily. You do have to enter in your barcode on the tube, and then you just have these consent forms here. Here's the general consent form. You can pause the video if you want to see exactly what it says there. And then there's the sharing data. Do you want them to be able to share your information or not? They don't use your name or anything like that, but you can allow them or disallow them. And then lastly, for storage, how you want them stored, you consent or not to consent, and then that's it. All you gotta do is seal it back up and ship it in.
Excuse me, a DNA test?
Drug and alcohol. Don't you know what a DNA test is?
I don't need to say any more about that, do I?